Hello guys, my name is Nancy. Today I will be talking about one of the most comprehensive and competitive examination for English test. Any guesses? That's right, it's an IELTS. What exactly is IELTS? Let's find out today. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, which is meant for those who aspire to pursue a higher education, migrate or work where the English is a language of communication. It is one of the most popular English proficiency tests around the world, and it's acceptable in all around the world. You can take IELTS in two ways: computer delivered test or paper-based test. Today I will mostly focus on the paper delivered test. In IELTS test, there is no failing scores. So the band scores range from 1 to 9. The band 9 is known as expert user, but when you want to enter the university, the most required score is going to be between band 6 and band 7. IELTS test structure, there are two models. The academic model is intended for those who want to enroll in universities or other institutes of higher education for the professionals such as medical doctors and nurses, and who want to study or practice English-speaking countries, and designed to assess the English language ability of people. For the general training is intended for those planning to undertake non-academic training or just gain work experience or for migration purposes. So in IELTS test, the candidates will be tested in listening, reading and writing and speaking parts. In the listening part, academic reading and writing parts are more harder than the general training reading and general training writing. And my focus will be on the academic reading and writing. In listening test, the timing will be 30 minutes and 10 minutes for the transfer time. So in total, there are 40 questions. Types of the questions will be a multiple choice, can be a matching or plan or map, diagram labeling or form or notes completion, table completion, and so on. In listening part, there are 4 sections. In section 1, the conversation between two people set in everyday social context. In section 2, going to be a monologue set in everyday social context. In section 3, the conversation between up to 4 people set in an educational or training context. In section 4, monologue on academic subject. In a reading test, they will be given 60 minutes and no transfer time. So the questions will be 40 items and the test parts will be the 3 sections. The types of the questions going to be a multiple choice, can be identifying information such as true, false or not given, or identifying a writer's view or claims such as yes, no, not given, and matching information, headings, features, sentence endings, and so on. Academic reading tests, they are going to be more authentic and taken from books or journals, magazines, and newspapers. And it's written for non-specialist audience are on academic topics of a general interest. And texts range from descriptive or factual to descriptive and analytical. It may also contain non-verbal material such as diagrams. In the writing test, they will be given 60 minutes and there will be 2 tasks, and then candidates are required to write at least 150 words in task 1 and 250 words in task 2. In task 1, it presents a table, a graph, a chart or diagram, and candidates must describe and explain the data and describe the stages of the process and describe an event or object from the given. In task 2, write an essay in response to a point of view, argument, or a problem. Response for the both tasks should be written in formal styles. And the speaking test will last for 15 minutes. It's going to be a face-to-face interview with an examiner. The speaking test is recorded. There will be 3 parts. In part 1, it's going to be an introduction or interview, about 3 and 4 minutes, with the examiner, confirms the candidate's identity, and ask general questions or familiar topics like a home. In part 2, individual long term going to be taken. Candidates is given a task card. Candidate is given 1 minute to prepare their task, and candidate asks for 1-2 minutes. Examiner then asks the candidate 1-2 questions on the same topic. In part 3, 2-way discussion is going to be taken. It's going to last for 4 or 5 minutes. The examiner asks further questions related to the topic part 2. And these questions can give the candidate an opportunity to discuss more abstract issues and ideas. This is all about IELTS. I hope you like it. Please register with Packnefeld and we are waiting for you. Keep healthy. See you.